Hello, today we're going to take a look at the Lion electric lockpick gun by Bump My Lock. This is a fine lockpick gun, in fact one of our highest quality ones. Let's open the case here and take a look at what we got inside. Okay, got our instruction manuals here. We'll set those aside and I'll walk you through the functions of the gun. Here's the gun itself. As you can see, it's got quality construction. Trigger, and it's a gun style gun. There we go, and it also has a reverse for the upward pick and an off switch. Set that aside. It comes with its power charger. And this gun comes with a key extractor as well, the dyno key extractor, and a wide variety of picks here. Let me move this case out of the way and I'll show you the picks this comes with. Okay, we've got our double-sided tension wrench, divot locks, divot picks for divot locks, more for the European style locks. A straight pick. This is a tension tool. We have some other style picks here as well. This one's a twist, a curve. Also got a replacement curve here. This seems to be a pretty popular one. We've got a smaller twist. Standard pick. Longer pick. And another replacement standard pick here. Okay, back to the gun again. This gun also has a light on the front here. Let's go ahead and show you the function again. It's got a lot of speed and a lot of torque on both ends. And it's got a nice LED light to see what you're doing. Again, this is one of our best quality guns and more popular sellers. Let's go ahead and put this thing up. Show you how it all fits in its case. And that's the Lion electric lockpick gun by Bump My Lock.